Is your Apple Watch upside down? Are you stuck with your Apple Watch screen flipped? Well, it turns out you have flipped the orientation of your Apple Watch. And believe it or not, there are some solid reasons why you'd want to do this. But more on that later. First, let's see how to change or fix the orientation of your Apple Watch. To change the orientation of your Apple Watch, just open Settings, go to General, and tap on Watch Orientation. From here, you can select which wrist you want to wear the watch on, and more importantly, where the digital crown sits. You can set it either to the top right side or the bottom left side, whichever one you prefer. And this is how you can easily fix your upside down Apple Watch. But now you might be wondering, why would anyone want to wear their Apple Watch upside down or with the crown on the other side? Well, hear me out, because there are a few reasons why. One of the biggest, well, if you're into fitness, this setup can actually save you some issues. Let's say you're hitting the gym, doing push-ups or weightlifting or even yoga, and you suddenly hear, I didn't quite get that. Then you realize that you accidentally pressed the crown button while bending your wrist and activated Siri. Switching the crown to the left side means no more accidental button presses while you're mid-workout, and honestly, it does make a difference. The same thing goes for other activities and hobbies like cycling or dancing. Your wrist stays free and the crown stays out of the way. No interruptions or unnecessary distractions. Another cool benefit? It's just easier to use. With the crown on the left side, your thumb can easily control it while your index finger takes care of the tapping. It sounds small, but trust me, once you try it, you'll feel the difference. Whether you're scrolling through the notifications or adjusting your workout settings, everything just feels more natural and responsive. So, there you have it folks. Flipping your Apple Watch orientation isn't just about standing out or being different. It's about making your day-to-day tasks efficient, especially if you're on the move a lot. Go ahead, give it a try and let me know in the comments how you like to wear your Apple Watch. And hey, if you like this video, then make sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe for more tech tips and reviews, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.